Hello everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. So for today, I will be sharing with you makeup products na pwede nyong magamit kung ngayon pa lang kayo bubuo ng inyong makeup kit. So without further ado, let's start. So first, I have primers here. First is a Get Ready With Me, all about that base na On The Glow Skin Booster. So ito naman, perfect to kung gusto nyo yung illuminating primer, something na merong shine or glow pag nilagay niyo sa skin niyo bago mag-foundation. So magpipick through yung parang yung kintab niya or yung parang glow nga niya kapag nag-apply kayo ng foundation after this one. Meron din itong parang mga jelly primers. Ito ang tawag dito is Life Proof Primer. So basically gel siya and ang finish nito is sticky. Then the last one is from Kerla. This is the Instant Filter Pore Refining Primer. Ito naman guys, ang ano nito is, I think this is the most common na primer because meron siyang silicone, dimethicone yan. Next naman guys ay mga skin tint. So I think 2023 nag-start yung super daming naglabas ng skin tint. So one is from Easy & Co. This is the Active Skin Tint and I'm in the shade Vanille. The best to guys kasi sobrang ano lang niya talaga, skin but better yung kanyang effect sa skin and hindi siya yung something na full coverage. Same with yung Fairy Skin Premium Tinted Sunscreen. Both to guys I think less than 500 pesos lang. So ma-recommend ko talaga. This one meron siyang SPF 35 and this one naman ay may SPF 50. Next naman guys ay mga foundation. So I have 3 recommendations here. Fresh Filter from Detail, Easy & Co na active foundation, and of course yung Get Ready With Me na Radiance foundation niya. If you want an extra dewy, sabi nila matte to, but for me, ang register niya sa akin or ang effect niya sa akin is dewy, you have to get this one. Kung gusto niyo naman yung super lightweight, nandun yung pagka-matte and at the same time glowing sa skin, you can have this one, yung Easy. And for something na freshan lang din yung look, pero makikita mo na may coverage naman kahit papano, I can really parang recommend this one kasi ang ganda talaga nito sa skin. May slight oxidation lang to guys, so make sure to get one shade lighter kung acidic kayo. So for me, yung shade na creme, saktong-sakto lang siya sa akin kasi pag medyo tumagal pa siya sa skin ko, nagda-darken ng konti. But definitely itong tatlong to is a must-have. Actually, meron pa yung kay Strokes if you want a good matte foundation, you can get one yung sa Strokes naman. Concealers, ito yung mga highlight ko for the year. I think ito yung mga nag-work talaga sa skin ko. First is the Easy & Co. or Easy na lang siya ngayon guys na concealer. The best to. And of course, I Get Ready With Me na Radiance parang multi-base na concealer. But dito sa dalawa, kung papipiliin ako, ito yung the best. For me, yung kay Easy and I have a lot of shades para dito. May pang spot, may pang highlight, and may pitch corrector din ako. But definitely, itong dalawang to is actually pasok talaga sa budget. Kaya ma-recommend ko talaga to for those na naghahanap pa lang ng bagong concealer nila. For powder, I have 3 recommendations. First is the matte two-way cake from Ever Belena. This one, kung talagang ultra budget ka talaga, as in less than 300 pesos ang peg mo na powder, this one I can recommend because ang ganda ng coverage nito. Buildable din siya. Pwede mo siyang gamitin for under eyes, kung dark yung under eyes mo. Instantly nako-cover niya. Bare and Bliss naman, medyo mas lightweight, fine to refine compact powder. And I'm in the shade Fair. So, ganun din to. Meron din siyang puff sa loob. Same with Ever Belena. Ayan. And lastly is the Easy & Co. Kung gusto mo naman ng coverage and blurring, this one I can recommend. And I'm in the shade Bisque. I think ito yung pinaka-light yata nila this time. But I think mas may bago na rin packaging nito. But yung component niya, ayan, may brush at saka meron din namang mirror. Yan. Wala lang siya nung powder puff. But I think you can get it naman individually kay Easy & Co. Next naman guys, mga face palette. So first is from Taviant. Ayan guys, ito yung shade na French Kiss. Sobrang ganda niya guys, as in. Ayan, perfect na perfect tong pang everyday. Hindi siya mabigat, magaan lang siya dalhin. Another one is from Easy. Yung palette ko lang guys is from Makeup Forever. But makakabili rin naman ng magnetic palette kay Easy. Ililink ko lahat to guys, as in everything. Lahat yung mga pinakita ko sa inyo nasa description box. Lazada and Shopee. Links I will provide para hindi kayo mahirapan. So yan, meron ako ditong bronzer, highlighter, eyeshadows. Ito, may shimmer eyeshadow ako dito. And blush on. Then, from Get Ready With Me, ganun din siya, guys. So, meron din akong bronzer, dalawang blush and highlighter. Ang ganda nito, guys, kasi ikaw yung mamimili ng shades na gusto mo, tapos ilalagay mo lang siya dito sa sa component na to. So, nabibili rin siya ng hiwalay. Same with Easy. Unlike kay Teviant, pipilian nyo na lang yung shade na gusto nyo. Eyeshadow naman, I can see na medyo affordable tong mga na-pick ko na i-recommend for you guys. First is from Sweet Mint. I know, para siyang, parang imitation siya na Roman. But so far kasi, kung pang beginner lang, ang ganda ng color payoff nito, ang ganda ng ang ganda ng blendability niya for its price. Mind you guys, this is just 135 pesos. Ito naman, if I'm not mistaken, from Squad, this is the Squadlet in the shade Serene. 99 pesos lang yata to, guys. Pero marami pang shades ha. Even si Sweet Mint, marami kayong pagpipilian. And last na recommendation ko, ito kasi sobrang cute. As in, parang pang estudyante, ganyan. And marami ring shades na available dito sa palette na to. This is a Colorful Animal 4-color eyeshadow. Yan, from ZC Cosmetics. Ang ganda lang kasi, as in, feeling ko magugustuhan nyo to, yung mga nagsisimula pa lang mag-makeup. Yan, may mga print-print na cutie-cute. So, next naman mga blushes naman, guys. I have here some recommendations. Iba-iba yung formula nila. First is a liquid blush from Pillow Pop. From Everbilena Pillow Pop. Ito yung ma-recommend ko kasi mura lang siya and at the same time, madali siyang i-manage. Very blendable. Next is from Easy. Ito naman, guys, ay cream blush. Yan. So, kunin nyo tong safe word kung gusto nyo yung mga unsaturated blush na nauuso ngayon. Same with this one from Vice Cosmetics. Ito naman, powder blush, pero ang ganda ng blurring effect nito sa skin ko. And ang shade na meron ako sa Apricot Crush. Super ganda nito. Unsaturated din siya. Usong-uso ngayong 2024. And lastly is from Squad. I can consider na din to, desaturated blush din to. This one's Petal, Petal Play in the shade Petal. Yan, ang ganda rin nito, guys. Super long lasting kahit na affordable lang sila. For bronzers naman, I have 3 recommendations here. One is in a stick form. So, this is the Vice Multiganda. One and done stick. Wala nang introduction needed kasi sobrang ganda nito, guys. I think alam nyo na yan. From Pink Flash, this is 75 pesos only. Pwede nyo na siyang gamiting nose contour, bronzer. But definitely, medyo maliit lang siya. But pigmented siya, so okay lang. Next one is from Focalure. This is the Soleil Matte Bronzer. Ayan, so as you can see, medyo warm siya. So hindi ko siya ma-recommend pang contour. Etong dalawang to pwede sigurong, pwedeng pang contour, especially this one, si Pink Flash. Pero ito, since warm, ma-orange, parang ma-brown yung kanyang color, I suggest ipang bronzer nyo na lang. Highlighter naman from Careline. This is the Glossy Glow. Pero meron din tayo dito sa mga face palette na you can buy individually. Especially itong kay, gusto-gusto ko to, itong kay Get Ready With Me and itong kay Careline. Yan. Yung mga highlighter na marirecommend ko sa inyo. Even Easy, guys, of course, meron din sila. Yan. So, yun. Pwede nyo rin to bilhin individually. Like 149 ba to o 249 pesos yung ganyang kalaking highlighter. Okay na rin kasi malaki na rin yan, guys. Pangkilay naman, I have 3 recommendations here. First is from Bare and Bliss. Next is from Maybelline. Ito yung Tattoo Brow. And my favorite from Everbilena, this is the All Day Fine Line. Kung gusto nyo, guys, yung super nipis, this one from Everbilena, wala talagang palya to. Ang ganda-ganda nito every time na ginagamit ko. Maybelline naman, kung gusto nyo yung super nagtatagal, as in parang nakatattoo na siya sa skin nyo or sa kilay nyo, this one's so good. As in, nagtatagal talaga siya literal. Lastly is from Bare and Bliss. Ito naman, guys, actually, ito yung pinaka-recommend ko kung beginner ka palang magkilay. Bakit? Because medyo malaki yung kanyang pencil. Yan, hindi ka pa mahihirapan mag-micro-micro na drawing. Basta sundan mo lang yung outline ng kilay mo. And of course, may spoolie na rin siya. Mascara naman, I have 3 recommendations here. First is from O2O, very affordable. Hindi rin to nagpapanda eyes, hindi rin to nagsasmudge. So, okay naman siya and waterproof pa siya. Another one is from YouKiss naman. Guys, ang ganda rin ito because yung kanyang, yung kanyang brush, super fine lang. Perfect din for beginner kasi hindi siya mahirap gamitin. And my favorite naman, Sky High, because talagang nalilift nito yung lashes ko as in hanggang dulo ng gabi. Maganda pa rin lashes ko at hindi nagpapanda eyes. Yun nga lang, medyo pinakamahal siya dito sa tatlo. Eyeliner naman, I will mention 3 brands na so far maganda and hindi nagkakalat sa eyes ko. First is from Bare and Bliss. Eto guys, ano to? Felt yung dulo niya. I mean, brush yung dulo niya. Yan. Then, this two, ayan, felt na yung kanya, ano, parang pentel pen. Pag sinabi niyong felt, yun, parang yung mga pentel pen, guys. Yan. And very affordable lang tong tatlong to. Pero I think yung pinakamura is si Dazzle Me or si Careline. So, for lip products naman, guys, I have so many recommendations. So, simulan mula natin dito sa mga glossy-glossy. First is from Filter Gloss from Maybelline. Next is from Strokes. Yan, guys. Ito yung My Lips But Better nila na shade Silk Kiss. Of course, Colorette Color Balm. Dazzle Me na lip serum. Sobrang nakaka-hydrate talaga. Next naman is from BLK. Ito yung color changing nila. Ang variant is Shimmer. And for more lip products, ito guys. First is from Sunny's Face. Ayan, ito yung Fluff Matte. Chuchu Beauty Matte Bomb. Of course, a classic Maybelline lipsticks. Bare and Bliss na lip tint. Colorette in the shade Quickie. Yan, ito matte lipstick to guys. And itong lip tint from Vice Cosmetics. Ililink ko na lang lahat sa description box, guys, kung hindi ko man ma-mention yung entire name ng product because sobrang dami, nakakalito na. But this one is a soft veil tint. Yan, soft veil tint from Vice Cosmetics. I have the best-selling shade na Mauve Over. And lastly, from Squad Cosmetics, ito yung kanilang lip and cheek tint. So that's it guys, yun na lahat yung mga marirecommend kong makeup sa mga beginners. Ayan, sobrang dami na yan guys. Make sure to check the description box because nandun na lahat to. And mag-abang kayo ng sale para mas makatipid kayo. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you on my next video. Bye!